What's going on, people? Grom Squatch here. Here's my 2000 XR400. It was gifted to me from a family friend. I'm trying to figure out what to do with it. They said it ran before they parked it in the garage a couple years ago. It was like a year and a half ago or so. I'm trying to figure out what to do with it. I can't get it to start. I've tried kicking it over for like multiple days here and there. Does that mean it's a green sticker? I guess I gotta pay back registration or something. I'd like to get it street legal if possible. But I think that's pretty much a hard thing to do here in California. Some people are telling me I can, some people are telling me I can't. But yeah, it looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Nothing looks too bad on it. I guess you put oil in up here. It's down on the frame, and there's somewhere else down here you put oil and stuff into as well, I guess. But yeah, everything's in pretty decent shape. See, it builds up compression, like. But I don't know. I've probably spent like an hour or two altogether trying to get it to start up. I don't know. But yeah, freaking, I don't know much. I need to get it over to my trailer so I can have that Mendo guy come over and take a look at it. See if he can help me get it started or not. Like I said, I want to get it plated here in California, but from what I hear, that's going to be a chore if it's possible at all. Everybody's telling me it's probably not going to be possible, especially with the new rules coming into play in the next couple of years. But yeah, regardless, I'd like to get it running, and if I can't get it plated, kind of like to turn it into a Supermoto and just run the back roads. But yeah, anyways, it's the XR400. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, there is alright. Fuel on. Yeah, fuel's on. Let's see if we can get it to make any sounds. Oh, it's so tall. But you can hear it wants to do something. I don't know. It wants to do something, but huh? Oh, I'm talking on camera. Oh, yeah, it wants to. It makes sounds, so. Build up that compression. All right. Anyways, that's enough of that. You guys take it easy. I'll see what I can do. Hopefully get it over to my place sometime soon and have that Mendo guy look at it. Anyways, you guys take it easy. And I'll see you in the next one. Grom, Squatch out. Later.